Katrina, and I want to teach you 3 very useful words in Irish. They are Fáilte, Sláinte, and Slán. They mean welcome, cheers to your health, and goodbye. Let's have a look at them. In the first word, we have an A with an accent. It's the only accent we have in the language. It's called a fada, and it makes the vowel long. An A with an accent, a long A, sounds like the sound you make when you see a cute puppy. Aw, faw. Now we have an IL, foil, we're going left to right, and at the end we have a TE. TE is a sound that is similar to a sound in English when you say, I want you to learn Irish. I want you. You got a CH sound coming, want you. It's similar to that, but a little more forward. Te. Te. Can you do that? Let's try the whole thing. Fáilte. Welcome to Irish. Fáilte go gaeilge. Good. The second word rhymes with that. This is to your health. Sláinte. Now you try it. Good. Guma. And the last one is related. Can you see how Sláinte and Slán look similar? Sláinte is to your health and safety. The last one is about safety. It means safe as in safe home. It's goodbye. Slán. Try that one. Good. So when can you use this? Imagine that you are lucky enough to have the President of Ireland come to your city or home or place of business. What should you say? First thing you should say is Fáilte. If you happen to have a drink, you can raise your glass and say Sláinte. And as the President leaves, you can say Slán.